Forget the Range Rover. Forget the Maybach. Genesis just dropped an absolute bomb on the ultra-luxury SUV world, and it has doors that belong on a $500,000 Rolls-Royce. This is the 2028 Genesis GV90. We are looking at their first true flagship electric SUV, and visually, it's a total flex. The sheer scale of this thing in person is breathtaking, especially in this glossy white paint. But wait until you see the real party trick. Boom! No B-pillar. Genesis calls this the Neo-Lun Archgate, and these rear-hinged coach doors give you an entrance that just blows your mind. To pull this off safely, the engineers had to completely redesign the crash structure. Oh, and it's rolling on massive 24-inch monoblock wheels with a hidden NACS charging port built right in. Look at this interior! It's not just normal leather in here. They're using woven wool, real stone, and real wood trim. And check this out. The front seats pivot a full 180 degrees so you can face your rear passengers. It transforms the cabin into an actual luxury lounge on wheels. To make up for cutting out that center pillar, they beefed up the frame to be 1.5 times thicker than a conventional SUV. Hopping in the back, the legroom is genuinely insane. If you opt for the executive 4-seat layout, you get gorgeous fold-out tray tables, heated and cooled cup holders, a wireless phone charger, and yes, a literal mini fridge for your drinks tucked right between the seats. The tech is wild. You can control the full-body massage seats directly from the rear displays. And watch this 2-stage door motion from the inside. It pops out slightly, then slowly pivots shut. Plus, the glass roof shifts from opaque to completely transparent at the touch of a button. Stepping back outside, look at the intricate detail in these crystal headlights. The signature Genesis twin lines bleed right into the face, and the badge isn't cheap plastic. It's machined out of a solid piece of aluminum with a beautiful brushed finish. Now, they are offering a standard door version with a regular B-pillar, like this gorgeous metallic green spec, but the real showstopper in here is the infotainment screen. When parked, the 23-inch OLED display actually rises up and expands into a massive movie theater mode. Around back, everything is perfectly flush. The Genesis lettering, the taillights, it feels like one smooth, continuous sheet of metal. Pop the trunk on the executive version, and you'll find a magnetic cargo floor and a thick glass acoustic divider. That keeps out road noise and seals you off like a true VIP, while giving you a fully usable trunk. Jumping into the driver's seat, there's no start button. Put your foot on the brake, and that beautiful crystal sphere magically rotates over to become your gear selector. The materials up front are stunning, and I am straight up obsessed with this giant solid metal volume dial. When it's time to drive, that cinematic screen smoothly drops down into your line of sight so it isn't distracting, and these huge 25-speaker Bang & Olufsen tweeters rise up from the dash. It's theatrical every time. Let's talk power, because the specs are serious. Built on their new EMP electric platform, this beast throws down a verified 657 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. The massive 123.5 kilowatt-hour battery targets around 310 miles of range. And when you need juice, a 350 kilowatt fast charger rips it from 10 to 80% in 22 minutes. With standard air suspension and 5 degrees of rear-wheel steering, this behemoth handles like a mid-size sedan. This is a massive leap for Genesis. If you'd take this over an Escalade IQ or a Range Rover, hit subscribe because we've got way more coming. Drop a comment below. Would you pay up for the crazy coach doors or keep it traditional? Catch you in the next one.